Hi everyone, my name is Satyaam Raha. Welcome back. So in this video, let me show you the notation which we'll be using throughout the entire playlist of deep learning. Okay, so please make a note of it. Please sit with a pen and paper and make a note of the notation because it will be heavily used. And in the upcoming videos, I'll not be explaining how the notations are being used. Okay, so please be very careful when you watch this video, and please make a note of it. So let me show you in the diagram. So I have already drawn this particular diagram so that time is not wasted. So you see, this is nothing but the neural network that I had used earlier, right? It has this particular hidden layer HL1, hidden layer 2, okay, and output layer. So it's very simple, but the notation is very important. You already know the notation over here, right? This I is nothing but the row number of the data set, right? So if I have like 1000 rows in my data set, 1000 data points, then this I will go from 0 to 999. Okay, this is so I means this is one current data set, data point, and this 1 2 3 4, this is nothing but the feature number, right? So if I have a 4-dimensional feature like height, weight, gender, and place, so here 1 2 3 4 represents that. Okay, I hope this is very clear from the previous video. Still I'm writing here feature, and this is the data point number. Okay, so next, this if means the functions, right? So I have here 3 2 5 1 6, so 6 functions over here. Okay, these are called the activation functions in the language of deep learning. So here I am using 6 functions and I have to name them. So the notation what I am using over here is this first number. Here you can see this here. This first I is nothing but the layer number. Okay, this is hidden layer number 1. Okay, input layer is not hidden layer. Okay, don't get confused. Or input layer is not the layer 1. Layer 1 starts from here. Okay, hidden layer 1. So it's I is 1 here. See, for the 3 functions, 1 1 1. And what is the second number here? That is j, which is a function index. Which index it is? So function 1, so f1, function 2 2, function 3 3. Likewise here in this particular layer, in this particular hidden layer 2, this is the function number 1, right? That is why the second subscript is 1. Okay, but this is in the layer 2, so the first subscript is 2. I hope it is very simple, right? I do not need to explain it more. So here also same thing, same logic. Okay, here in the output layer we are using the output layer as number 3 layer, so that we could use the function over here. So third layer 3 and function is 1. Okay, so it is very simple. Next is the weights. I have not written the weights here so that you don't get confused. So I'll write it live here. Okay, so let me take, okay, I'll take this color. So let me write first the outputs. So here the output will be O11. Okay, here also the output will be O11. Okay, output of F11 is O11. It's very simple. Same, output of F12 is O12. So here also in this edge also O12 will propagate. Same over here, O13, O13. Okay, common output will go from these edges. Similarly here O22 and O21. Here O31 is the final output. Okay, I'll use a different color. Let me use brown. Okay, now the age, this age will have a weight, right? So what will be the weight over here? Let us see the weight. So the convention here is W, superscript is K, and subscript is IJ. So IJ here is, I means from layer, from which layer it is coming, and J is to which layer the edge is going. The edge is coming from some layer and going to some layer, right? So from to, and k is what is the next layer. What is the next layer means to which layer the w is going. Okay, it's very simple, I guess, right? So let us write it like this. So here it will be w. Okay, next layer is what? 2, right? Hidden layer 2. So I'll write superscript as 2. From where it is coming? It is coming from where? It is coming from the first. Okay, I have written it wrong here. This will be from index to index. Okay, I made a mistake. Please correct it. So from which number function to which number function? Like here, this is coming from this particular edge. This edge is coming from which particular function of this layer? 1, right? And where it is going? It is going to the first function of layer 2, right? So I'll write here 1. Okay, I'll take another example. Here what will be the value? So the next layer is 2. So the superscript will be 2, right? But the subscripts will be, it is coming from neuron number 1 of the first layer. So neuron number 1 and going to neuron number 2 of the second layer. So 1, 2. Okay, I hope it is clear. Let's take this one. So it is going to which layer? What is the next layer? The next layer is 2. So superscript is 2. From which neuron it is coming? It is coming from third neuron of the previous layer and the second neuron of the next layer. So 3, 2. Okay, I'll take another example. Let's take this one, this particular edge. Okay, this one from f12 to f22. Let us write this. So w2, it is coming from second neuron going to second neuron. So w22. Okay, let's do for this. So here, what is the next layer? It is 3. So the superscript is 3. Coming from which neuron? Neuron number 1. Okay, how it is neuron number 1? Previous layer, neuron 1. That is how you should understand. Going to which neuron? First neuron, only neuron. So w11. For this, again the next layer is 3. Coming from neuron 2. Going to neuron 1, 2, 1. Okay, so this is the notation that I'll be using throughout the entire playlist. So please watch the video again if you got confused here. Okay, I'll not show more example because it will be very messy in this particular picture. So I hope I have already shown multiple examples. If you have messed it up, just go back and watch the video again and make a note of it, and please refer to this. Okay, this means from index means from the previous layer. What is the index? This is to the next layer, which index, okay, of the function, and this superscript is that what is the next layer. Okay, so this is how you should consider it. Okay, so I hope this is very clear till now. If you have confusion, just watch it again. Okay, so in the next video I'll show you how training actually happens with a single neuron, so that it becomes very simple to understand. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.